What's going on, boaters? We are on board a 2027 MasterCraft NXT20. This is the perfect 20-foot boat for you and your family to get out surfing this summer. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the back, you have your big surf platform. You have 2 transom cup holders, nice big sun pad, and transom walkthrough into the boat. You have your black and brown interior. You're gonna have your RGB lighted cup holders, Meridian audio throughout the whole boat. You have your manual folding tower, so all you have to do is unlock both of these on both sides. It's gonna fold down, swiveling, clamping board racks. And at the dash, you are gonna have a touchscreen display, easy to navigate, phone holder, and in the front, you have a nice pickle fork bow. You can seat up to 11 people on here, so bring your family and friends out for a full day on the water. You're gonna wanna come check out this boat at MarineMax Nisswa, or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com. Let's get you out on the water yet this summer.